Hello guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So in today's video we're gonna learn how to fix message could not be sent on Messenger 2023. So basically what's happening that when I am sending any message to someone, then the message is not being sent. So for that what we have to do is like go to our app store first and search for, so let me on my internet first and search for Messenger, and make sure that your messenger app is up to date. Okay, if it is updated, it will be showing open. Right now my messenger app is updated, so it is showing open. This is the first step, and most of the time by updating your messenger app, the 90% of the problem will be solved. If it does not, go to your setting, go to general, iphone storage, wait for a few seconds to load, and search for messenger and just delete the app and then reinstall it. For me, I will be not doing it because I am not facing that issue. So for you guys, just delete the app and again go to the app store and install the messenger at the latest updated version. By doing this, I'm very much pretty sure by doing this I'm pretty sure that all the problem you are having will be gone. So if you like this video, leave a like, comment, share and subscribe for more.